In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Grok Imagine from auto-generating. If you've ever typed a prompt and watched Grok rush off to create an image before you've set your preferences, this walkthrough will help you take back control. Start by opening Grok in your browser. Once you're on the home page, look to the left sidebar and open Imagine. This is where all the creative tools live, and it's also where auto-generation can kick in if your prompt sounds too much like a command. In the Type to Imagine box, the key is how you phrase your request. To prevent Grok from auto-generating, write a descriptive prompt rather than a directive. For example, type something like, describe a cyberpunk city. That phrasing asks for an explanation instead of ordering a render, which keeps the system from launching straight into image creation. Avoid wording like generate a cyberpunk city image, because action verbs like generate or create can trigger an automatic render before you've chosen any settings. With your descriptive prompt in place, take a moment to set your media preferences so creation only happens when you say so. Click on Image to view the visual generation panel and confirm the controls you'll want to use. Then click on Video for now to switch to the video panel if that's what you plan to produce. Toggling these tabs before you start ensures Grok is in the right mode without auto-starting a job. Next, choose a resolution. Higher resolutions look sharper but can take longer to process and may use more credits or system time. Pick what fits your needs and your device's performance. Then choose a duration if you're in the video panel. Shorter clips are great for drafts and quick previews. Longer durations are useful once you're confident in your prompt and style. After that, select an aspect ratio. Match this to where you'll publish: widescreen for desktops, square for feeds, or vertical for stories and shorts. Setting this now prevents unwanted cropping later. Once all your options are locked in, you're ready to generate on your terms. Click Submit or simply press Enter. By structuring your prompt as a description first and then explicitly submitting, you stop Grok Imagine from auto-generating and make sure it only produces when you're ready with the exact settings you chose. That's it. Clear prompt phrasing, a quick tab check, thoughtful settings, and a deliberate submit. Enjoy a calmer, more controlled creative flow.